Welcome to Informative Studies channel. Today we are going to see about the topic speed max. In speed max, one of the most important topic is to find the value of cube root. If you want to know the cube root values, you must know the cube values from 1 to 9. That is, the value of 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216, 7 cube is 343, 8 cube 512, 9 cube 729. You must know the cube values from 1 to 9, then only you can find the cube root values. Okay, we can solve the first question. In the first question, find the cube root value of 4096. These types of questions, you must see the last digit values, that is 6. Just compare the value 6 with the cube values. In the cube values which has last digit 6, just take the cube value, that is 6 cube, and take the value 6 cube, and 6 cube as 6, and this is a cube root. So we must omit the last three digits in the number, that is 096, and the remaining value is 4. Just compare the value 4 with the cube values from 1 to 9, that is the 4 values which is between 1 cube and 2 cube. 1 cube value is 1, 2 cube value is 8, and the value 4 is between 8 and 1. So we can take the value which is smaller than 8, 4 which is smaller than 8, so we can take the value 1. And the answer for the question cube root of 4096 is 16. And we can solve the next question. From this, find the cube root value of 79,507. In this question, we can say the last digit 7 and compare the value 7 with the cube values from 1 to 9. From this cube values, we can see 3 cube value, that is 27, which has last digit as 7. So take the value 3 and then omit the last three digits, and the remaining value is 79. Just compare the value 79 with the cube values. The 79 is between 4 cube and 5 cube, that is 64 and 125. 79 is between 64 and 129. So we can take the smaller value which is 64, that is 4 cube. Take the value 4. And the answer for the cube root value of 79,507 is 43. And the another question, we have to see the last digit, that is 6. Just compare the value 6 with the cube values. We have seen 216, that is a 6 cube, and take the value 6 and omit the last 3 digits 656, and the remaining value is 46. The 46 is between 4 cube and 3 cube, that is 4 cube is 64, 3 cube is 27. Take the smaller value 27, that is 3 cube. Take 3. So the answer for the value cube root of 46,656 is 36. And the another question, take the last digit as 1. Just compare the value 1 with the cube values. 1 which has 1 in the last digit, that is 1 cube. So take the value 1 and just omit the last 3 digits, and the remaining value is 29. Just compare the value 29 with the cube values. 29 is between 3 cube and 4 cube. So we can take the smaller value 27, that is 3 cube. So we can take 3. So the value answer for this question is 31. And another question, just take the last digit, that is 6. 6 which has the cube root value, that is 6 cube. So we can take the value 6 and omit the last 3 digits, and the remaining value is 17. So the 17, compare this the number 17 with the cube values. 17 is between 8 and 27, that is 2 cube and 3 cube. we can take the smaller value, so we can take 8, which is 2 cube, so we can take 2. So the answer for this question is 26. And another questions we have to see the last digit, which is 6. Just compare the value 6 with the cube values, that is 2 and 6, that is 6 cube, so we can take 6 and omit the last 3 digits, and the remaining value is 97. Just compare the value 97 with the cube values. 97, which is between 4 cube and 5 cube, that is 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125. So we can take the smaller value, that is 4 cube, so we can take 4. So the answer for this question is 46. And another question, in the same way we have to take the last digit, that is 2, which is 2 which has to be compared with the cube values, that is 5 and 2, that is 8 cube, so we can take 8 and omit the last 3 digits, and the remaining value is 27. 21 is between 2 cube and 3 cube. 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, so we can take the smaller value 2 cube, so we can take 2. So the answer for this question is 28. And the another question, just look at the last digit, that is 3. Just compare the value 3 with the cube values which has last digit 3, that is 7 cube 343, so we can take 7 and omit the last 3 digits because it is a cube root value, and the remaining value is 19. So just compare the value 19 with the cube values from 1 to 9. 19 is between 2 cube and 3 cube. 3 cube is 27, it's a higher value, so we can take the value 2 cube, that is 8. So the answer for this question is 27. And this question we have to see the last digit, that is 9. Just compare the value 9 with the cube root value, cube values, that is 729, 9 cube, so we can take 9 and omit the last 3 digits, and the remaining value is 42. Just compare the value 42 with the cube values, that is 42 is between 3 cube and 4 cube. 3 cube value is 27, 4 cube is 64, so we can take the smaller digit 3 cube. So the answer for this question is 39. And the last question we have to see the last digit 5. Just compare the value 5 with the cube values, that is 125, 5 cube, so we can take 5 and omit the last 3 digits, and the remaining value is 15. Just compare the value 15 with the cube values, that is between 2 cube and 3 cube. 3 cube value is 27, but we have 15, so we have to take the smaller digit, that is 2 cube 8, so we have to take the value 2. So the answer for this question is 25. Thank you.